Hi guys, good evening. Luto tayo ng chicken with sauce. Ayan guys, linagyan ko ng butter. Guys, lagyan natin ng ketchup. Ayan guys, lagyan natin ng konting gatas. Lagyan din natin ng konting honey. Konti lang guys. At lagyan natin ng konting crispy flour. Lagyan natin ng konting magic sarap. And the last one, haluin natin yan guys. Ganyan. Ayan guys. Look at the finished product guys. Char, finished product talaga. O, diba? Mukhang masarap. And lagyan natin yan lang black pepper at sambal guys. Yan guys, lagyan natin ng konting sambal. Haluin lang ng haluin. Nasa low heat lang tayo guys para hindi mag-block ang ating sauce. Diba? It's so look yummy. And then, ilagay na natin ang manok. Yan na guys ang ating chicken. Haluin na natin yun guys. Diba? Finished product.